In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music in Google Slides. Adding music is a great way to make your presentation feel more engaging and professional, whether you're presenting in class, at work, or sharing slides online. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the process, explain why each step matters, and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, go ahead and open your Google Slides presentation in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account and that you have editing access to the file. Once your presentation is open, decide which slide you want the music to start on. Most people choose the first slide, but you can start the audio anywhere in your deck, depending on how you want the presentation to flow. Next, you need an audio file that Google Slides can use. The easiest method is to have your music file already uploaded to Google Drive. If it isn't there yet, open a new tab, go to Google Drive, and upload your audio file. Common formats like MP3 usually work well. Once it's uploaded, you don't need to do anything else in Drive for now. Just make sure you know the file name so you can recognize it. Go back to your Google Slides tab and click on the slide where you want the music to begin. Now, look at the menu bar at the top and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, choose Audio. A window will pop up showing audio files from your Google Drive. Find the track you want to use, click on it to select it, and then click the Insert button. You'll see a small speaker icon appear on your slide. This represents the audio file. You can click and drag this icon to move it to a corner, or resize it if you want it to be more or less visible during your presentation. With the audio icon selected, look to the right side of the screen for the Format Options panel. Here you can choose how the music behaves. For example, you can set it to start playing automatically when you open that slide, or only when you click the icon. You can also adjust the volume, choose whether the icon is visible during presenting, and decide if the audio should stop when you move to the next slide or keep playing across multiple slides. Finally, test everything. Click Present at the top right and run your slideshow from the slide where the audio starts. Make sure the music plays the way you expect and adjust the settings if needed. When you're happy with how it sounds, your Google Slides presentation is ready to go with your added music.